Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to access OneDrive files from Microsoft Teams. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Teams app on your computer and log into your account using your credentials. This ensures you have full access to all the integrated Microsoft services, including OneDrive. Once your Microsoft Teams dashboard has fully loaded, accessing your OneDrive files is incredibly straightforward. The beauty of Microsoft's ecosystem is how seamlessly these services integrate with each other, making file management much more efficient. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand menu of your Teams interface. This is where all your main navigation options are located. As you scan through the icons, you'll notice the Microsoft OneDrive icon among them. It's typically represented by the familiar blue cloud symbol that OneDrive is known for. Go ahead and click on this OneDrive icon. As soon as you click it, you'll be directly connected to your OneDrive account right within Teams. There's no need to switch between different applications or open a separate browser window. Everything you need is right here in one place, which significantly streamlines your workflow. From this point, you have complete freedom to manage your files between both platforms. You can easily share files from your OneDrive directly to your Microsoft Teams channels or chats. This is particularly useful when you need to collaborate with team members on documents, spreadsheets, or presentations that you've already stored in your OneDrive. Similarly, you can store files from Microsoft Teams conversations directly to your OneDrive for safekeeping and future access. This two-way integration ensures that your important files are always accessible and properly organized across both platforms. And that's it. You've now set up seamless access between Microsoft Teams and OneDrive, making file sharing and storage much more convenient. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.